What could your life be like if you were not driven by fear and anxiety? What if you didn't have to keep time schedules or production deadlines? What if you were not driven by guilt to do more? What if peace was the underlying energy of your daily life experience? What if there was no competition to accomplish or succeed or be better than someone else? What if jealousy and envy went on a permanent vacation and were replaced by appreciation and joy at the accomplishments of others? What if you could truly be nourished and blessed by the ideas and attainment of others as you connect in oneness? How can you experience oneness now? Imagine, who do you admire most? Or who are you most envious of? What do they have that you want? Breathe. Relax. Relax as you acknowledge your desires and dreams. Dream big. Breathe the breath of God. You are breathing the same air as this other person. You are the breath of God. Breathe with them. Feel the energy of what you want as you breathe. You are connected in the oneness of breath. You have within your higher consciousness the same potential and opportunity. From higher consciousness, you have access to your own unique divine plan for this life. Jealousy and envy are a gift to help you open to bigger possibilities. They inflate the balloon of perceptions to reveal opportunities beyond the belief and circumstance that limits and contains your personality. While it may seem like this is about the outer world, it is the inner world that is calling you to seek freedom. Your cosmic Christ self is inviting you to imagine life beyond the constraints of your personality. What are the constraints of your personality? What keeps you separate from cosmic consciousness? What keeps you feeling small, unworthy, unhealthy, and unproductive? You have the power to open the cell door of your prison of limitation. You have the authority to remove your shackles from your ankles and wrists. Take off the weighted boots that hold you down. A shower of sunlight washes away the grime of self-loathing. A golden robe of love is wrapped around you, restoring self-worth. The rags of poverty are dropped. Poverty of thinking, of imagination, of comfort, a deficit of love, companionship, and financial supply is restored to abundance. Claim the crown jewels of your eternal self. Even for a moment in your imagination, be radiant, magnificent, glorious. Be you.